show how strong Arsenal are in this competition this year.
No, absolutely. And obviously, we're one of the favourites for a reason. I think we're fourth favourite. I think most of the bookies had us at. And that's for good reason. You know, we've become a much more respectable team over the last few years, especially under arteta. And, you know, like I said,
oh, my days. We're fourth favourite to win the Champions League. Oh, my days. We can't even win the Champions League. Even my TV's falling off the wall. Even my TV's laughing, bro. My TV's falling off the wall. I'm done. I'm done, bruv. With the same team that couldn't even win the Europa League, these men say we're the fourth favourite to win the Champions League. Oh, my days. Let me breathe. My blood pressure's going up. Let me breathe. I hate this fan base. I actually hate this fan base, bro. You man that are real ones that watch, I love you lot. But listen, the rest of them, bruv, I can't stand this fan base, bro. I really can't. Honestly, it is absolutely ridiculous.
PSV are no pushover. You know, they've got that record for a reason.
After we're going to gas over PSV now. Now they're an amazing team. Okay.
And obviously we did what we did to them at home, but that's just Arsenal being Arsenal this season, you know.
That's just Arsenal being Arsenal this season.
Oh, he's not my man of the match, but I want to start with Aaron Ramsdale, you know, start from the back. I think he made a good account for himself today, a few good saves, especially I think there was one towards the end of that first half. It was a quality save. Obviously, I don't really think the goal was much of his fault. You know, it was a fantastic finish, a Thierry Henry-esque finish, I'd go as far to say.
Thierry Henry-esque. Oh, shut up. Were you even born? Oh, my days. You were still on formula milk. You were still getting breast milk when Thierry Henry was playing. You know what I'm saying? What are you talking about, bro? You was in flipping nursery, playing in the sand, pissing in the swimming pool. What are you talking about? Taking out your dusty flipping PE kit that smelled of BO. 20 mans has ran through it because it's the lost and found PE kit. What are you talking about? Shut up, man. These men talk on stuff they weren't even around to see.
And then the two down that right-hand side, you know, Cedric, wow. I think he was. I thought he was unbelievable today. Not quite there with the man of the match, but for a player that's not expected to play, you know, before today, I think he played 3 minutes of football all season. So I think for a player that's not played much at all, he made a really good account for himself. And I like players like Cedric because I think I'm one of a few Arsenal fans that don't mind the fact that Cedric is still here. Don't get me wrong, his wages.
Of course you do, because it's a very convenient excuse when we bottle it. Oh, but we needed more. We needed to go out in the transfer window and get more. We had a light squad. We had this. Shut up, man. Shut up. One season you told me it's a light squad. Next thing, bruv, what are you talking about, man? Oh my days. Oh my days, man. Bruv.
They're outrageous, obviously, for someone that doesn't play. But I think an experienced player is a very good squad player as well. And then my man of the match today, Reece Nelson.
We had this experienced players on the bench last season. How come you lot came out and said that we lost the league because we had a light bench? Make it make sense, bro. What are you chatting about? What are you talking about? Stop twerking for this fan base, bro. Stop twerking for this fan base, bro. What are you chatting about? Oh my days, bro. Oh my days. Oh, but this fan base. Oh.
You know, since the contract, he's not been given the minutes that for me, he's absolutely deserved. Obviously, it's a shame that he's got Martinelli and Saka in his positions. He can't really do much about that. But when he's got the minutes this season, he's played really well. And obviously, he replicated that today, got the assist for the goal. I thought he played fantastically. So he's my man of the match. Yep. Well, normally...
Doesn't take much to be you lot's man of the match, does it? It doesn't take much. It doesn't take much. What are you chatting about?
And obviously, I think you got onto me a bit about the West Ham situation in the Carabao Cup. Normally, I want to play the bigger teams and get out of the way because I want to beat the best. I'm that kind of fan. However, in this scenario, I want to get over the hurdle that we've had over the last few years, well, of the Champions League. It's been a while since we've been there, but over the last few Champions League campaigns of the round of 16. So I want the easiest draw possible for the round of 16, which I believe is going to...
If you want to be the best, why don't you call out that we don't have the best manager for the job? We don't have the best bench for the job, that we need better. Instead of sitting there looking like a grown-up Zach and Cody talking absolute bucaria, why don't you actually call it out? Why don't you say it as it is, bro? You know what I'm saying? What are you chatting about?
going to be, as it stands, Porto, but obviously Shakhtar is in the mix there. I think obviously the nice away day in Portugal as well would be nice. For me, it's got to be between one of Porto and Shakhtar. In terms of teams to avoid, obviously there's some big hitters still in there. I mean, PSG.
Nightmare. I swear you lot said that we're going to win the league. I swear you lot said that we're on to winning the league and we're definitely going to win a major honour. But you got to beat the big teams. There's no point avoiding them. These men don't believe the crap that they be saying, bro. They don't believe the rubbish that they be saying, bro. I'm so done with it, bruv.
To Milan, Atletico Madrid.
Those guys for the round of 16.
Why do we need to stay away from Atletico, bro? You man telling me that, oh, you don't want Simeone. You don't big up Simeone. You don't rate him. What are you talking about? Why we need to stay away from him, bro? You know what I'm saying? Why you want to stay away from Simeone, bro? I thought we got the best manager for the job. I thought we got the best youngsters for the job. Shut up, man. Shut up. Sick and tired of hearing this guy chatting rubbish, twerking for that channel.
If we get them in the quarters, absolutely. I'm up for the challenge. But you want to get over that hurdle with the round of 16, get to the last stage of the competition, hoping for Porto or Shakhtar.
These men don't believe in the crap they say, which is why they come out with this rubbish, bro. It is why they come out with this rubbish. I'm done. Let's get into the comments, man.